Good morning, student. Today we're going to learn how to skip counting with coins. And the best thing that we can introduce this lesson is to use this nice application. We have a nice application here with money. And you can see the money that I can use is 5 cents or 10 cents or 25 cents. So let's start with the necklace, which is 5 cents. If I want to make this is as 5 cent, I want to skip by 5, which means I want to add another 5, and after that I want to add another 5, after that another 5, and so on. I am adding by 5. So if I take a picture of this and I say, okay, now I need to know how much I have in total, so I can take this, copy it here, and see how we're gonna count this. I had before 5 cents, and this is how we can write cents. If I want to add a 5 cents, another 5 cents, so the total that I'm gonna get it here is like 10 cents. If I want to add another 5 cents, I'm gonna have a total of 15 cents. Another 5, 20 cents. Another 5, 25 cents, another 5, 30 cents, another 5, 35 cents. So you see here that I am skipping by 5. That means I'm adding 5 each time. Why? Because I'm adding a nickel each time to the previous one. So I'm adding by 5. That's why the previous lesson we learned how to skip by 5, and here with the money we can do the same thing. I can skip by 5 because I'm adding by 5. Let's take another one. I'm gonna say I'm gonna use a dime. So I have 10 cents here, and I'm gonna add 10 cents each time. So this is 4, 5 times, 6, 7, and 8. And let's say I want to take a picture of this, so I'm going to take the picture. And I want to see how much as a total of money do I have. So I can say what? This is 10 cents. The first one here, the dimes, have a value of 10 cents. I am adding another 10 cents, so it's going to be 20 cents. I am adding 1 to the 10. The 2 will become 3. The 3 will become 4. The 4 will become 5. The 5 will become 6. The 6 will become 7. And the 7 becomes 8. So really I am adding by what? I'm adding by 10 because I'm adding 1 time every time. So I'm adding by 10. So the total of this group, it's 80 cents, and the total of this group is 35 cents. How I know? Because I am skipping by the same number. It's easy, and we are saying when we skip, I can add to the 1, it's gonna be 2. I add another 1, it's gonna be 3. It's gonna be 4, it's gonna be 5. Since I am playing with the tens, that means I'm adding 1 10, and from here I can get the total. What about if I'm using 25 cents? The quarter, this one, this is 25 cents. Let's say I'm adding 4, 5, and 6. Let's say I have this amount of quarters, and I need to know the value, how much do I have? So I'm gonna copy it here, and I'm gonna say, let's count. Each one, it has a value of 25 cents. So 25 cents, another 25 and 25 gonna give me 50 cents. I add 25, gonna give me 75 cents. I add another 25, gonna give me $1. Yay! That means what? That means if someone asks me how many 25 cents in $1, actually $1 is the same as 4 times 25 cents. I have 4.25 to get $1. Now if I want to continue, I'm going to bring the picture this to the back. Okay, so I can see the money. Now if I want to continue, I add 25 to $1, it's going to be $1.25. If I want to add another 25, it's going to be $1.50, and so on. That means what? That means I can add by 5 or by 25 or by 10 with an easy way using this type of money and going step by step. So here you can skip count to find the value of coin collection. So if I have a group of collection here, I have 9 nickels. How to reach the 45? By skipping 5 plus 5, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25, plus 5, 30, plus 5, 35, plus 5, 40, plus 5, 45. This is how we can count the group of nickels. If I am jumping or skipping by 25, the same thing. We said something, we can use this with an easy way. I know that $1 is 4 quarters. I have another 4, so why not? I can take this group, I can say another group of, so that means what? That means I have $1 here because I have 4 quarters, so this has a value of $1. This has a value of $1. So I finish that, and I have this is extra. So that means I have $2.25. If someone needs this value in cents only, I can say 225 cents. And here you can see the answer, 225 cents. So the 225 cents equal to $2.25. So I hope that you understood the lesson, and this is how it works. If you have a group of coins and you need to know, you can gather each type together, add it all together, and after that you can find the total. I hope that you understood the lesson. Let's practice with some example. Thank you.